rainbow. This is sun. This is cloud. This is chimney. This is roof. This is window. This is door. This is gate. This is sunflowers. This is lily. This is the dahlia. This is lotus. This is rose. This is daffodils.
Rainbow. This is sun. This is cloud. This is light. This is house. This is flower. This is tree.
Sun. This is rainbow. This is bird. This is cloud. This is trees. He is house. He is lotus. This is lake. This is rose.
Rainbow. This is cloud. This is light. This is sun. This is tree and flowers, house, grass. Thank you.
Of care, value, honesty, gratitude, courage, respect, patience, and work. Composition by Team A, boys and girls of Biswanath Pathar in ME English School.